What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mario here, and today guys, another unboxing and review of a new product that's been released on the 10th, that is today, the 10th of October, if you are watching this video from the day one. Anyway, the links, they will be on the description below so that you can get this headlamp that I have it on my hands. This is the Wuben H4, so I'm just giving you a close-up for you to see how the headlamp looks like inside the box. So I have here the black color. They sent me two of them, the two colors they have available, so is the white and black. Just trying to make it trying to not be out of the focus. So this is 800 lumen output, max output, and is the first headlamp released by Wuben so far. I really can't wait to test it out, and especially for the content that I do on my channel. As you know, I do explore abandoned locations, and this kind of headlights, in this case headlamp or the flashlights, is always a tool that is really handy for what I do. And if it's something that you can actually keep it attached to your body, it's much easier, especially if you are holding a camera that you are filming the moment, if you are filming the experience exactly the way I do. I don't need to hold something on my hand to give me light wherever I'm walking through. So yeah, for those that like to go to the caves for dog walking at nighttime, is as well really handy. Cycling, I would say that cycling, it will be good. Hiking, you know, so many things that you can do with the headlamp, and that's something that you don't need to hold on the hand, as I said. Thank you so much for sending me this over, Wuben, once again, for sending me these products over for me to test it out. This is not going to be based on what they want me to tell, and yes, based on my own opinion and my own experience using this product. So this, from what I was reading, this has like a lithium battery inside, so you can charge it over via USB-C, but as well you can have it connected with the AAA batteries in case that you will run out of battery itself and you have some spare batteries with you. You can always use it as well that way, which is good because it can be handy. Sometimes you don't have a place to like a power bank that you can actually charge the headlamp. You know, headlight is for the cars. Headlamp, it's this. So yeah, let's open one of them. I will open both of them so that you can see more into like a detail both colors they have available on the website. So let's dig in. Okay guys, so I'm just filming inside my living room. Is now with the lights off. It's just the light on the background is my computer that is on. I'm just going now to turn it on, the headlamp that I have it already attached on my head. So, and here, and this is how bright. Wow, this is crazy. Wow. Really nice. Really, really nice. I'm just moving my head. I'm just moving my head. It's probably. Yo. So yeah. It's really bright. Okay, so let me just swap for, this is the white light and this is the warm light. That's nice. And let me just, this is the white. And this is the red. Nice. This is really cool. This is good for Leo. Leo! Leo. So yeah, guys, this is my first impression. As I said, I definitely need to test it out while exploring my locations, but I like how bright it is. Definitely like how bright it is. Leozinho is just over there. This is the box where was the headlamp. And Mr. Leo. Let me just put it white, like warm, nice and warm. I like. Guys, this is great. I have to say, honestly, as I said, like while I was doing like a sample for you to see how bright is the room. Well, it's super bright. I have to say it's super bright. I really like the warm mode. Gives like a really more chilled vibe, and I like how was light up. And the thing is, like having it on my head, it's kind of like weird because usually I don't like to have things on my head besides like a cap, like a hat. But it was okay. This is only 80 grams with the battery, and without the battery is 49 grams, but you are going to use it with a battery unless you want to keep it on the top of the head without any batteries, so it means that you don't have light, which wouldn't make sense. So yeah, 80 grams, that is nothing. The three modes, they are really good and bright. Even the red, I actually thought that the red beam would be very soft and not that strong, but it's actually strong. But is it kind of like the light that you might need in case of an emergency, for example, especially if a person in the middle of the night, they see a red light, they might spot that is danger, that you might need help, and is always needed. Or if you are even cycling, to get the attention while you are driving, because you can have it like flashing, the red like light flashing. So cycling, climbing, hiking, exploring, this is perfect. This is perfect. So yeah, so that is the black color. I have it here, the white one. I still didn't attach the strap. The strap is slightly different. This one has like a black stripe on the side, and on this one is a blue stripe just on the bottom. But in general is basically the same. Either or is the same. The strap is actually really strong. It kind of doesn't squeeze your head. It's actually comfortable, which is good. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think about this. If you want any specific information about that lights, please leave a comment below. The links, I will leave them on the description as well, that you can have a look on Amazon, as well on the official website from Wuben. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I will look forward for some exploring videos using this one. That is going to be the next one to test it out on my exploring locations. Much love, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.